Starting off today with Earn by Time. Current rate is going to be $17 an hour, and this first order is going to be a Starbucks going about 3 miles. Bianca? Thank you. Total for that one was $7, and got the next orders right away. Got a stacked Taco Bell going 7 miles.
Hey, are you checking in with your app to earn rewards points?
Hi.
Total for that was $12. Not as bad as I was expecting. I'll take it. This one, on the other hand, I've got a bad feeling about. Not sure why, but we got a Taco Bell going 7.5 miles.
Hi, are you checking in with your app to earn rewards points?
Thank you. You too. Total for that one was $14 and change. Okay, I take it back. That was actually amazing. Wow, that tip was huge. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Got this one right away. It is a McDonald's. This one is going 6 miles. Oh, I just realized this is a hand to customer, and they sent me a paragraph of instructions on how to find them. Okay, that one's for you.
Perfect, thank you.
Yep. You have a good day.
Don't you wish they'd actually put lights on the letters to these buildings?
Right. I don't know how much of that I could keep in, because that guy must have been a sailor at one point in his life. He was complaining about trying to find the address. I mean, it wasn't too difficult for me, but then again, maybe she didn't send the paragraph to him. I don't know. I just had to smile and wave. Total for that one was $10. Okay, that's surprising. I didn't think they were going to tip at all. Next order up is a 7-Eleven. This one is $6 going 1 mile.
Okay, one big up. One straw already. This one's fine.
Don't think I've ever had to fill up a drink myself before. Not sure why she made me do that, actually. It's been about 15 minutes, but finally got something. This is a stacked Starbucks. I believe the total is $11 going like 4 miles. Thank you.
Yeah, of course. How are y'all today?
Yeah, totally.
Yep.
Thank you so much.
You.
Floor 1.
Got this as I was leaving. This is a stack going to the same customer. We've got Joe Brown's Cafe and Starbucks going about 2 miles.
Here we go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning. Are you just picking up?
Yeah.
Is it for
Alexander. Yep.
So be ready. Have a good one.
Total for that stack was $11. Next order up is probably a mistake, but we're doing it anyways. This is a Subway going across the river. I think it's at 7 miles.
Pick it up?
Yeah, I've got Aiden. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yep. Oof, that was so bad actually. This order was terrible. Oh my goodness. No tip. Total for that was $5 and change. Got this right away. This is a shop and deliver for Fred Meyer. $14 going 4 miles, 4 items. Just getting back into my zone, and I got the next order. This is a Starbucks going 2 miles. Thank you. Jennifer, yeah. Thank you.
Yeah.
There you are.
Thank you.
Total for that one was $6 and change. And got this next one right away. This is Loro Coffee going 7.5 miles. Yikes. Total for that order was $20. Holy, huge tip on that. What the heck? Thank you. Thank you very much. That is crazy. I've got a fat headache, so I'm gonna start heading home. Current time is 10:02. Current total is 114 and waiting on 1 Uber tip, which should bring it up to maybe 120. I don't remember what they said it was gonna be. But anyways, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.